Hi, in this tutorial you'll learn how to work with the Power Apps list box control and how it differs from other controls that offer multiple option selections, such as the drop-down control and the radio control. Okay, so I have this app that has these two containers. I'm going to select this first one, click plus, and then I'm going to add a list box here. And the list box by default comes with these items, and I'm going to change it to some other items. So we're going to go to the items property of the list box, and we're going to provide an array which will contain orange, banana, apple, grape, melon. Okay, so you see that the items property of the list box is the property that displays the content. You can also format the list box. Let's say the font size. You can change the height. There are many other formatting properties that you can use to format the list box. Let's say the color, the font color, and so on. Now let's click Save, Play. And here you can see the list box. If there are more elements than the height, let's change the height here to, let's say, 200. It adds this scroll bar on the right side. So here you can scroll to see the others. Let's change it back to 400. Okay. Another thing that you can do with the list box is to select more than one item. So if I click these two, both are selected. So you can select several items in a list box. Now let me show you the difference from my drop-down control. So here in this other container, I'm going to click plus and add a drop-down. Here in the drop-down, let me make it bigger. Let's add the same items. I'm going to copy here from the list box, go here to the items property, and paste the same items. Now here in the drop-down, take a look. You're not going to see all of the items. You're going to see just one item. And you need to click it to see the others. And when you select one of them, that's the only one that will be selected. You cannot select more than one in a drop-down. If you need the option to select more than one, the list box will work better. Now let's see the difference for the radio control. So I'm going to click here, delete the drop-down, and I'm going to add a radio control, this one. In the radio control, in the items property, we're going to place the exact same array. Let's increase the font. Let's increase the width and the height. Okay. Now let's save, play, and look, here, the radio control, you can see all of the items, like in the list box, but also you can select just one of them, not more than one. So this is the main difference from the list box control. Let me remove it. Now I will show you how you can connect the list box to an external data source, such as a Dataverse table. So go to Data, Add Data, and here I'm going to select the Products table from Dataverse, and I'm going to connect the list box to the Products table. So the items property will now become Products. And the products table has many columns. The name of the products. There are also other columns. So if I wanted to show the data from another column, I could go here and do products.price, for instance, and it will show the price instead. Let's leave the name of the product. Now I will show you how you can identify the selected items to execute some other operation. So let's come here to the container, this container, and I'm going to insert a text label. Okay, here's the label. Let's change the font size and the width. Now I'm going to select the text label, go to the text property, and change it to concat, open and close parentheses. Then I'm going to do listbox2, which is this list box here, dot selected items. So this property from the list box returns the items that are selected in the list box. So we're going to get that data and transform it into a string. We're going to get the name field, and the separator will be a comma, like that. Now let's save and play. If I select mouse, see, it added mouse. If I select smartphone, added smartphone, and so on. If I unselect any of them, comes back. So to identify the items that are selected in the list box, do listbox.selectedItems. And if you want to disable the multiple selection of the list box, you can also do that. Go to Properties, select Multiple, and turn it off. Now, if I play and I select another one, it will remove the first selection. Hey, if you like this video, please click like. And if you want to learn more about Power Apps, click subscribe.